Alright, this is a trail called Moose Tracks. It's a brand new trail at North Fork out here in Eden, Utah. Can be ridden both directions. I rode it the other direction first, which would be counterclockwise, or no, clockwise. This would be going down counterclockwise, which I think is definitely probably the way to ride it. We'll see. It's got some jumps, it's got a few fun things on it. Still sticking with the theme of North Fork, kind of chill, nothing crazy, relatively easy. On the Heckler today, because we're kind of doing a bunch of laps and stuff. Plus, they allow e-bikes up here, so it's a great place to enjoy the e-bike. Still got a bunch of stuff to do at the house today. If you watch my other video, you'll know. I don't know if this one will come out first or if counter will come out first. Probably this way. I think this is the better way. Although there was some really cool features going down the other direction. Skinny, which kind of had to take my time on. I am not very good at skinnies. Well, correction. I'm good at skinnies. They scare me if they're like high off the ground and kind of consequential. Drop on this side if I'm right now. This trail definitely needs some packing in still. Right now they're not letting horses on it, only bikers. There's a couple signs you got to duck under until it gets packed in. Oh, right here. That's one of them. And that's just to keep people from taking horses up them while the trail is super soft. Once it gets packed in, they'll open it to horses as well. A little ducky. Lots of deer up here today. Haven't seen any moose today. I've seen a lot of deer though. On the other side. Maybe there's some cool features like that little art. A few things they've got going on up here. There's a mushroom on the other side. A little cutout mushroom. Probably flow a lot faster when they're not so powdery loose too. Such good terrain. I really wish they would put in some gnarlier trails. You only get blue or black up here, but they are adding a few things like that to spice it up, which is cool. Like when they add jumps and stuff for those of us that want a little more than a blue or a green. But it's like there's a little bit of a climb in there. Kind of get a little bit of downhill. You gotta head back up a little bit. But that's part of the course for up here, I think. They do a lot of that, like sports the same way. A lot of up and down. Like I said, they don't build gravity trails up here. I don't know why. I've heard multiple things why. Some blame it on like the city, the risk, the access, because it is on the other side of the mountain, so you're far away from the hospital, which I don't know. It's not that far. No different than if you were up in another canyon. But blue and green trails are better than no trails. That's a fact. stops for a minute. Ah, nice. There's this other one here I saw last time. That's cool. Gives you a little alternate. Big bridge. There's speed. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice. Once this gets back down, he can carry speed good. So you might have seen this, not on mine, I haven't recorded it, but you might have seen this on some other videos out there. I'll open in a minute. It's fun, but they put a ton of just 180 switchbacks in here. I get it, they're trying to slow speed, but they could have done some other options. They could have dropped this off that other side for a downhill only and just really made something unique and cool. Like I said, excited about new trails, but just a little disappointing on what these could have been for this network up here. Just some variety for everybody, not just the casual rider.